Warfare and defense have shaped human history from the very beginning of civilization. From primitive tribal conflicts to modern high-tech warfare, humans have always fought to protect land, resources, power, and identity. Understanding the history of warfare helps us understand how societies evolved, rose, and sometimes collapsed. Early warfare, prehistoric era. In prehistoric times, warfare was simple and brutal. Early humans used basic weapons such as stones, wooden clubs, and spears. Conflicts usually happened over food, territory, or survival. There were no organized armies, only small groups defending their families and land. Ancient civilizations and organized armies. As civilizations developed, warfare became more organized. Ancient Mesopotamia, Egypt, India, China, and Greece created standing armies. Weapons evolved into bronze and iron swords, shields, bows, and chariots. Egyptians used chariots and disciplined infantry. Greeks introduced the phalanx formation. Romans perfected military organization, discipline, and strategy, building one of the strongest armies in history. Defense systems like city walls, forts, and watchtowers became common to protect cities from invasion. Warfare and defense have played a defining role in human history since the earliest civilizations. From small tribal conflicts to large-scale global wars, humans have always engaged in conflict to protect territory, secure resources, and preserve power. The evolution of warfare reflects the growth of human societies, technology, and strategic thinking. Early warfare, the prehistoric era. In prehistoric times, warfare was primitive and survival-based. Early humans relied on simple weapons such as stones, wooden clubs, and spears. Conflicts usually arose over food, water, and territory. There were no formal armies, only small groups defending their families and communities. Ancient civilizations and the rise of organized armies. As civilizations expanded, warfare became structured and strategic. Ancient societies such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, India, China, Greece, and Rome developed standing armies and advanced military systems. The Egyptians used chariots and coordinated infantry units. Greek city-states introduced the phalanx formation, emphasizing unity and discipline. The Roman Empire perfected military organization, training, and logistics, creating one of the most effective fighting forces in history. Defensive structures like city walls, forts, and watchtowers became essential for protecting populations from invasion. Medieval warfare and defensive architecture. During the Middle Ages, warfare revolved around feudal systems and fortified strongholds. Knights in heavy armor fought on horseback, while infantry soldiers used swords, spears, and crossbows. Castles were designed as powerful defensive centers, featuring thick stone walls, towers, and surrounding moats. Siege warfare became a dominant tactic, with attackers using catapults, trebuchets, and battering rams to breach fortified cities. The Gunpowder Revolution. The invention of gunpowder marked a turning point in military history. Cannons, firearms, and artillery replaced traditional melee weapons.